Wait, we should have done this.
Now you got 4 people standing.
Ahí está el Jero, voy conmigo, ¿eh?
Everyone's saying gorgeous.
¿Tú lo estás poniendo el tuyo?
Amazing.
¿Tú lo estás live, sí?
That thing. Facebook Live. Let's go, J-Mo. Oh, yeah. There it is. Check this thing out. C8 RR, solid design. It's badass.
What do you guys think?
They want to hear it.
Ya todos.
Ya voy a esperar que la gente se conecte para enseñarles las sorpresas que les traigo aquí.
Ready? Yep.
There's our wide body there. There's the regular one. So, C8 wide body.
Came out pretty sick, man. Look at that. Attention to detail. All this is carbon. Everything's carbon.
El único.
Alright, now that we have about 10 people here so far, here is the world's first
If you guys have any questions, let me know.
C8. Ready, guys?
This is the first true wide body in the world.
General consensus is fucking awesome. And it's red, yep. That is red. Well, you can't win this one. You can win that one over there, for sure. And it's the final 10 days, right? Yep. 10 days, 10x.
10x. Be yours.
Yeah.
Now
this
that,
one you can't have. Yeah. But they can
well,
give
you
this
can
a
make that
compliment.
one. You can make that one. It's a,
Designs, right?
yeah.
Is it on the website?
Yeah.
Somebody get this?
Yeah.
So I love the wide body look. The rear wing is a bit much. It looks good in person. I think if it's lower, the rear wing.
Yeah, we're just waiting for the lowering springs. Yeah. They were supposed to get here today.
There's no lowering springs. But other than that, check out the hood. Look at this. Check this out.
We got Speed Society
right now.
on live.
Yeah, that red pops out. That's why we did it out here instead of in the warehouse.
There's the
HQ doesn't have great lighting in there. They love the red. So truly, not fenders cut and then all the little rivets, but a true wide body, full replacement.
even the roof. You see the roof? It's got the humps.
Yep. This one is less than 10 days when that.